conference will now be recorded.
Am I audible,
Yes, sir.
guys?
Yes, sir, you are
Yes.
audible.
Right, right. Yeah, welcome to Mohansh Technologies. So we started NumPy yesterday, and I just want to recap what we done with the NumPy. Let's go down. Where is NumPy? Not saved, huh? NumPy not saved, huh? Oh my God. Decorators, iterators also not saved, huh? Okay, anyway, so we go through the NumPy from here. Okay. NumPy is numerical Python. Numerical Python. And NumPy is very important for data analytics, data science, and AI. Okay, so what this NumPy specialty? NumPy works with arrays, matrices, matrix or matrices. Okay, so if you want to install NumPy, what we need to do? Let's connect to the cloud. Import NumPy as NP. Import NumPy as NP. Import NumPy as NP. So this is the process of import. After importing the NumPy library, you try to start with a array creation. So I want to create the array. So if you want to create the array, np.array, np.array, and inside this, I want to populate some list items. I want to populate some list items. Now array 1. If I print, I can able to print the array here. Previous one is list, and this is array. So what is the dimension for this? What is the dimension of this? Anyone? What is the dimension of this array? One dimensional or two dimensional?
One dimension.
One dimension.
One dimensional matrix, 1/4 matrix. Yeah. I want to create a two dimensional array. Array 2 is equal to np.array, np.array, and here inside this, I want to populate 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and one more array you have to take, one more list you have to take to store the two dimensional, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. So if I execute this array 2, can you see this is the matrix 3/3 matrix. This is the matrix 3/3 matrix. So yesterday I told you can able to populate these dimensionals with the zeros and ones also. np.zeros, and whatever the size you want, you can give. Suppose I want to give like 4/4 or 4/5. Okay, so 4 rows and 5 columns. 4 rows and 5 columns. Next, np.ones. np.zeros is there, np.ones is there, but there is no twos, threes, fours, something like that. Next, np.i. There is a method called np.i. So all these are methods, sir. Very simple methods. You have to remember np.i. I want to take I value. Suppose I want to take the I value for the cross. I. Sorry, not ice. I. Hmm. Can you see this? First row, first column, first value 1, remaining all zeros. Second row, second column, second row, second column value, third row, third column value, fourth row, fourth column value, which is going to be 1, remaining all zeros. This is the one thing. Am I clear? And there is a one more method, np.arrange. np.arrange. Okay, I want to arrange actually 0 to 10 values or 0 to 20 values with the 3 space. What happened? Arrange, not arrange. Arrange. Okay. So 0 to 20 values are going to be arranging with the 3 space. 0 to 3, next 6, next 9, next 12, next 15, next 18, something like that. Next, there is a one more important method, np.linspace. Linspace or line space, whatever, maybe linspace. This method is linspace basically. Okay, 1 to 10, but a space 1 to 10 values I want to get. How many values you want to see between the 1 to 10? How many values you want to see between the 1 to 10? I want to see 10 values. 10 values means 10 space is taking. Na? See, 1 to 10, I want to arrange 10 values. Okay, arrange only 5 values. Arrange only 20 values. See, between 1 to 10, it is arranging like 20 pieces. It is arranging like 20 pieces. Am I clear? Am I clear? For example, if I give 10 members are there in the classroom, if I give 10 fruits, for each and every one fruit is coming. Okay, here 1 to 10, I have 10 fruits. I need to distribute further 20 persons. I have 0, for example, 0 also you can take. I have 10 fruits. I want to distribute these 10 fruits for the 20 persons. For each and every one, what you can get 0.5 na, off fruit. So some space, it is actually taking the exact space between the 0 to 10. First value is 0, last value is 10. Between that, 20 values are going to be taking the spaces.
Is the arrange and linspace are doing same thing or different thing?
Arrange is different. Arrange is different. You're trying to arranging with a step value. That is basically step value. 0
So
is
we are
1 and
skipping
next 3.
3 numbers
Skipping.
between.
Yes. That is
Okay.
skipping. This is arranging.
Okay. In linspace,
Linspace is
what
arranging.
is lins?
Making
Okay.
pieces. Making pieces.
Okay. So if between 1 to 10, every number will be divided in among the 20 persons. Like all
Yes.
those 10
Yes.
divided, like multiple parts.
Sorry.
Until it will be,
Suppose 0 to 10 is there. Okay. I want to divide this 0 to 10 pieces. 10 pieces means this is going like exact values. See,
yeah.
this is going like exact values, not like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that.
Yes, sir.
The space is something like different. Okay, I want to arrange like only 3 values.
It's distributing those numbers between, like between 0 to 10 numbers between all these three people. So it is giving those numbers like up until 0 to 5, up until 0 to 4 it will be for one person, and 5
Yes,
to 9 it will for
yes,
one person, like that.
Yes. So can I see this one? 0 to 10, 30 pieces. 30 pieces. 0,
Yes, sir.
0.3,
Understood.
something like that. Okay. Now, okay, some array informations I want to see. Something like let me take a one two-dimensional array. Already we taken two-dimensional array previously. I want to copy that. This one. Okay. Just copy this. Two-dimensional or three-dimensional, whatever it may be. This is something like this is three-dimensional matrix, 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, what is the shape of this array? There are some properties are there. Array 2 dot shape. What is the shape of this array? I want to see the shape. Just a shape. This is 3 by 3. What is the dimensional? What is the dimensional? I want to see the dimensional also. If it is smaller one, you can able to see the dimensional, but if it is a bigger one, you cannot able to understand the dimensionals. Okay, this is the two-dimensional 2D array. This is 2D array. Okay, size. What is the size of the array? How many number of elements which are going to be containing with the array? Array 2 dot size. What is the size of the array? Size of the array, 9 elements are there. 9 elements. Size is something like number of elements. Size is something like number of elements. Next, what is the data type of this array? ARR2 dot D type. D type is giving you data type of the array. This is the data type integer type. Int 64 type. Okay. Yesterday we are trying to talking about some basic operations on the numerical Python. Basic operations. Basic operations. For example, if I took two arrays, if I took two arrays, A is equal to np dot array np dot array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. The second array B is equal to np dot array 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. Okay. Now I want to perform some operations on this. What is A plus B? What is A plus B then? What is A plus B then? So 1 plus 4, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 6, 4 plus 7. What is A minus B? What is A into B? Some basic mathematical operations you can able to perform. A into B, execute. A by B, execute. A percentile B, execute. And A to the power of B, execute. Can you see? This is very simple, straightforward. This is very simple, straightforward. Array operations. Gagan, Mansa, Rohit, Siddhartha, Sriya, Tamal, Uday. Am I clear?
Yes.
These operations, array
Yes.
operations. Fine. Now after that, we want to work out with the indexing and slicing of these arrays. Indexing, slicing. Indexing, slicing. Okay. Let me define an array. Okay. Array 1 is equal to np dot array function brackets 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 60. Now this is my array 1. Okay, I will keep the heading indexing slicing. Indexing slicing. Execute it. Now I want to see array 1 of 0 to 4. Same like list. Same like list. Same like list. This is 0 index. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Something like that. Same as it is. Am I clear, guys? Indexing. For example, I want to print the reverse order. When I want to print the reverse order, what I can do? You know list already. What is the reverse? Syntax for reverse.
Double colon
Double colon
minus
minus 1.
1.
Same like list. Okay. Error 1 of minus 1. What is a minus 1? The last index. That is 60 only. Right. That is correct. 60 only. I can get only 60. In this way, you can perform some operations. Let me have some more complex slicing. Now I'm taking array 2. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. This is 3 by 3 matrix, na? This is 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, single it is going. Okay, fine. I want to see array 2 of 1, 2. 1, 2. How it will go? ARR2. Execute it. List indices must integer slices, not tuple.
I think we need to use 3 indexes. Like we need to use 3 attributes in this because we have 3 columns. Right?
No. I have to get this value now. 6 I want to get. This is 1. This is 0, na? What is 1, sir? 1 is this. And inside the 1, I want to get the second index. For example, 1, 2.
It's a 1 of 2 we should take now, sir.
Maybe. Yeah, that's 1 of 2. Okay, I want to see first two, how I can slice. First two, how I can slice this. First two values, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. How I can able to get? Array 2 of 0 to 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 2,
0, 1, right? Sorry. 0 to 1 and 2, we will get
2,
only
2,
0, 1, right?
minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Last index minus 1. Last
Second
index
index
not
is 1 to 2,
includes.
sir.
Last index not includes. Last index not includes.
1 to 2, no, sir. Second time.
No, I want to get first value and second value.
Yeah.
In that
0 to
case,
2,
you
1
need
to
to
2,
1.
and 2 to 2. See?
0 to 2.
1 to 2. In the middle one, 1 is to 1 colon 2. Yeah.
Okay.
1 colon 2.
Yes. This
And
is
then 2 colon 2.
right. No. Not like that. No, this first one is going for this one, sir. First one is going for this one. 022 022 023. Okay. 023 of 022. Of 0. Something like disturbing this. I could get like this only, but why this is not working, I don't know. This one should work. This could work basically. Okay, let me see the error issue. Explain the issue. What we are doing mistake, we are not printing, huh? This will work, sir. This will work. I told you, na?
Yeah,
Huh?
you gave correct. Yeah, it is correct only in output.
Maybe we need to see in the output, again it is too many indices for the two-dimensional, but 3 indices. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5. But I want 7, 8, 7, 8 also. Okay, 0 to 2 means only that. Right, correct. When I say even third one, 0, 1, 2. It could not able to solve the thing. Okay, let me see. Print of array2 of colon comma 1. When I see colon comma 1, what will be the output of this? 258. Okay, slice 258. This one, this one, this one. Only that values I can able to see. Colon comma 0. If I say colon comma 0, if I say colon comma 0, only the first values will come. Huh? Only the first values will come. Right. This is the one. Colon comma 2. Only the last values will come. Correct. This is the one way of slicing. Okay. So same like list, sir. Indexing and slicing. You can just follow the indexing and slicing for the NumPy. Okay. We will see some mathematical functions over there. For the NumPy mathematical functions. Okay. Print I have sign value. You know sign, sign value of array 2. One more, mean value. You know mean value, no? What is the mean, sir? What is the mean? How to find out mean? Mean
It's just
nothing
like
but
an
average,
average
sir.
of average, sir.
Mean nothing but average. Sum of the value by the number of the values. 5. I want to see the standard deviation. I want to see the standard deviation. Did you know mathematics, sir? Mean, mode, median, variance, standard deviation. All these things come in machine learning part. We will
Yes, sir.
discuss. We will discuss about statistics and probability when I come to the part of part of the machine learning. Don't worry. Okay, this is a standard deviation. Who is the maximum number for all this array? 2. Who is the maximum number? Who is the max? Max is 9. Who is the min? Who is the minimum number from all these values? Who is the minimum value? 1. 1 is the minimum value. What is the square root of for each and every number? There is a one more mathematical function, square root. Square root. So these are the square root values. Okay. Right. Let me go some other things. Now A is equal to np dot arrange. Arrange, you know, na? We already know about arrange function. 6 values I want to arrange. Okay, 6 values I need to arrange. Okay, 0 to 6. Same like in Python, we are using range function. In Python list, we have the range function. The same like in the NumPy, arrange, not range, arrange. Okay, what is the shape of this array? What is the shape of this array? Anyone? What is the shape of this array? Shape, sir. 1 by 6.
3, 4, 5, 6.
1 by 6. 1 by 6. Okay. Can I reshape this? Total 6 values are there. What is the possibilities? What are the possibilities I can able to reshape this 6 values? What are the possibilities?
6 by 1 we can
6 by
transform.
1. We can do
Transform.
6 by 1. Yeah, we can do 6 by 1. Possibilities are 1 by 6, 6 by 1, or 2 by 3, or 3 by 2. Any other? Any other possibilities? 6 values. Possibilities. 1 into 6, 6 into 1, 2 into 3, 3 into 2. Only 4 possibilities, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I do reshape now. A dot reshape. 1, 6 already there. Now I want to do the 6 by 1. Straightforward. Reshaped. Previously 0 to 5. This shape changed actually. That is 1 into 6 matrix, previous one. Now this one, it is 6 by 1 matrix. Can I do reshape to 2 by 3 matrix? Can we do this? A dot reshape. A dot reshape. 2 by 3. 2 rows, 3 columns. Fine. Reshape 3 by 2. Reshape 3 by 2. Done. 3 rows and 2 columns. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Sir.
Okay. Okay. These are the different kind of operations we can able to find out. Okay, let me go with the randoms. The last one, the last concept, randoms. Random. Okay, I want to arrange random numbers for the array. np dot random. Did you know what is the random? For example, 0 to 10, pick up the random number. Sometime 5, sometime 3, sometime 7, sometime 9. In that way, I can able to pick up. Am I right? So here I want to take a rand of 2 comma 3. np dot rand of 2 comma 3. Between the 2 and 3, random numbers are going to be generating. 2 by 3 matrix, sorry, 2 by 3 matrix, random numbers are going to be taking. Okay. Remind one thing. When random function will take min value as 0, max value as 1. Remember this one. Whenever the random function you call, any programming language, Java, JavaScript, Python, anywhere you go, when you call the random function, it will take by default 0 to 1. Am I clear? Okay, so for example, suppose you are asking a question, sir. This is the default one, but I want to take random numbers from 0 to 100 or 1 to 100. In 1 to 100, I want to take the random numbers. Sir. Then what you can do? There is one more method. np dot random dot randint. I want to give 1 comma 10 comma 5 values. 1 to 10, 5 random numbers I want to take. Every time this will change. Here also, random numbers means every time the value is going to be changing. Can you see the first value? 0.75 is there now. And if I refresh it, random numbers are picking up. Here also, 1 to 10, I want to pick up 5 random values. 1 to 10, I want to pick up 5 random values. Every time values are changing. Clear, guys? Any questions on this? NumPy? Let's move to the pandas then. NumPy is okay?
Is that all, sir, for NumPy? Is that all we need to know?
Mm-hmm.
Is that all we need to know for NumPy?
No, you have to remember how the NumPy will work. See.
I mean, now what have you taught today in this class? Is that all we need to remember?
Functions, no? You have
Is
to.
that all?
These functions will help in the data science, in the machine learning part.
Okay.
These
And
functions will help in the
beyond
machine learning.
this, there are more functions we can learn, or is it enough for us for now?
No, you can follow the documentation. See, this is enough actually. This I given a lot of methods actually. But as of now, this is enough. But if you want, you can learn from documentation. NumPy. In numpy.org, when you go to the documentation, it will take 2 to 3 days for you to read all the functions and all. For example, let me go to the documentation. Where is the documentation?
So for
This
now, for data
is
science, AML, that's what all we need. Like what you have taught, that's
compulsory.
enough, right?
Compulsory.
Okay.
Yeah, this is enough. And in the different kind of domains, these things are going to be working. So NumPy is going to be working. NumPy is going to be required for quantum computing. NumPy is going to be working for statistical computing, signal processing, image processing, graphs and networks, astronomy, and cognitive psychology. Different areas NumPy is using in real time. In these areas, okay, specific domains where NumPy is using in the real time. You can just read the documentation. I think this is the latest version they got released. Okay, you can find out the docs here. I'm just finding out the docs. Easy to use interval. Yeah, here you can find out the documentation.
Okay, sir.
From this documentation you can learn. Okay, to the user guide. For the user guide, you can just go with the getting started. So can you see what is NumPy installation and NumPy fundamentals, NumPy for MATLAB users, NumPy tutorials? There are
Yes, sir.
multiple things. Can you see here? These are the multiple methods you have to do practice. These are the multiple methods you have to do practice if you want. But whatever I given till now so far, that is enough for our machine learning part. But if you want to learn complete NumPy, sir, I want to learn complete NumPy, sir, means you can just go to the documentation and learn NumPy. This is the official documentation for the NumPy. This is the official documentation for the NumPy. You can learn here. User guide. Okay, import NumPy. Then can you see some examples here? Whatever we done, the same examples are there here. Creating array, shaping that, and what is the array, array fundamentals, a theory and practical. Everything is there. You can just adding, removing, sorting elements, and how you know about the shape of size of array. Can you reshape the array? Can you convert one dimensional to two dimensional? Indexing and slicing, we already done indexing and slicing. How to create array from the existing data, basic array operations. These are all operations we done, seems. And broadcasting, okay, and creating matrices, generating random numbers. This is also we done now. See, whatever the content I given, that is enough so far for machine learning part. You can just note down all the methods and practice all the methods for the NumPy.
Okay.
This is enough. This is enough. But if you want, I will give you one cheat sheet. You can follow the cheat sheet. That cheat sheet help you. That cheat sheet help you to learn the NumPy syntaxes. Right.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. Let me go to the pandas now. So pandas is very important. After the NumPy, pandas depends on NumPy. Basically, pandas depends on NumPy. Pandas is panel data. Pandas is panel data. What is the meaning of panel? What is the meaning of panel? I want to show you. Pandas panel. Some images. Yeah, this is the panel. Can you see? This is the panel. This is the panel.
Sure.
Something like textual data also. Textual data also including some headings. Somewhere I want to see
Then we
the
get in a sequential table like structures. even
Table
without
structure.
or with? Okay,
Table structure.
understood.
It's
Okay,
table
table.
structure, and it will contain string data also. For example, employee table, employee name, employee qualification or strings. Employee salary is numerical value, but NumPy is only numerical. NumPy is only numerical. It may be array, it may be matrix. But pandas is different. Pandas is something like panel. But this is very, very important in machine learning. Why? Because you are getting the data sets. You are getting the DMART data. You are getting the bank data. Maybe names are there. String data is there. And that is also rows and columns. Okay. But I will show how the pandas will work out. Okay. Panel data. Important for handle the tabular data. Handle tabular data. Like Excel, SQL tables. Excel, SQL tables. Okay. What is the purpose of the pandas? What is the purpose of the pandas? For data cleaning. Sir, I want to delete all the null values, or I want to delete the junk value, junk rows or junk columns, or I want to remove the nan values, not a number values. Data cleaning, this is very much important. Data cleaning, filtering, aggregation, and visualization. For visualization, we will use matplotlib inside the pandas only. I will use matplotlib to visualize the data. Okay. How to use pandas? Import pandas as PD. Import pandas as PD. PD is alias name. PD is alias name. And creating a data frame. Now I want to create a data frame first. Here every panel is called data frame. Every panel is called data frame. Now let's take some data. I take some data now. Okay, data is an object, and here I want to take some name. I will show official documentation first, then you can understand how this pandas will be. I copy the data from that. No need to write the data. Pandas, superb documentation for pandas. Documentation is very, very good. Okay, so the user guide or getting started you can go for. Getting started tutorials. A simple data frame. See, a simple data frame. Simple data frame, nothing but one simple column and one simple row. But let's go with the huge data also. Right now, I am just going through this one. PD.data frame. I want to prepare the data frame with the column A. Only one column. Can you see? 012 indexes automatically come. Indexes automatically come. Am I clear, guys? Okay, let's take the complex data. I will take a complex data now. So I want to take the employees information. I will take Ramya, Mohansh, Sirisha. Okay, only 3 employees I'm talking about here. 3 employees are enough. Next, I want to take the age of the employees. I want to take age of the employees. Okay, 23, 24, 22, 25. 4 members, huh? Only 3 members. Okay. 3 members. Okay, fine. That is age, comma. Next, if you want to give the salary for them, provide the salary for them. Salary, I'm giving like 67,000, 78,000, 45,000. This is the data, sir. I have the data here. I have the data here. Okay. With this data, I want to create the panel. Data frame df is equal to, okay, already came. pd.data frame data df. Can you see what happened? Names are coming in one column. Age is coming in one column. Salary is also coming in one column. 0, 1, 2 indexes automatically come. You no need to say the indexes here. I have 3 employees. I want to visualize these 3 employees. Visualization done. Name, age, salary. Name, age, salary I took as key. That is the why reason it is taking as a column name. And Ramya, Mohan, Sirisha values. 23, 24, 22 values. Even 67,000, 78,000, 45,000 values. Values as taking, this is the value. These are the values in the rows. Am I clear? This is confusing. It is very simple. It is very simple. But without having the NumPy, pandas will not work. You have to take the NumPy first. Import NumPy as NP, then import pandas as PD. Is this okay? I started pandas. Just you go through the documentation, try to work out some examples. Anyway, tomorrow I give more and more examples for the pandas with the data cleaning and all. We'll work on different CSV files also or Excel files also. And
Sir.
JSON files also. We'll read some JSON data and we will display the data into the pandas. Okay, so that's all for today now. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed so far, please subscribe it. Click on the bell icon. Have a nice day. Comments are needful, sir. Please provide your comments. Any questions so far? Gagan, Manasa, Rohit, Siddhartha, Sriya, Tamal, Uday. Any
No, sir.
questions? Any questions? Right,
No.
Gagan. Right. Mansa, Rohit, Siddhartha, Sriya, Uday.
Not out, sir.
Mansa, understanding? Okay, that's great. Yeah, see you signing off. We'll meet again tomorrow. Bye for now. Have a good day.